Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Viewers, Mahayuti has won the elections in the state of Maharashtra, but now Mahayuti, the alliance, is trying to figure out who will be the chief minister of the state of Maharashtra. Hectic negotiations are underway in the Mahayuti camp over the formation of the new Maharashtra government. Over the last 24 hours, a series of meetings have happened in the Mahayuti camp over the cabinet formation because there is a deadline that they need to meet before 26th. In fact, they need to decide who will be the chief minister. The oath-taking ceremony has to happen because the assembly's term is getting over. Let's quickly give you a short recap of what has happened in fact in the last few hours. Times Now has learned that the BJP is likely to stake claim for the post of chief minister, and Devendra Fadnavis is the front runner, and Ajit Pawar has also been elected as the legislature party leader, and NCP has by the NCP Eknath Shinde has been elected as the legislature party leader for the Shiv Sena. But is Eknath Shinde going to be the chief minister again? That remains to be seen. Listen in to what he had to say.
सभी विधायकों ने एक मत से विधायक दल का नेता मुझे चुना, इसलिए मैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। तो विश्वास उन्होंने जताया, इसके लिए उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
सर, कल मुख्यमंत्री पद पर फैसला हो जाएगा।
But is Eknath Shinde going to be the chief minister once again for the state of Maharashtra? Well, we don't know. And let's also tell you a little bit about how Eknath Shinde is still very much in the race for the chief minister's post. Why the Mahayuti may want to prefer to go ahead with Eknath Shinde and continue with him as the chief minister of the state of Maharashtra. We'll tell you a little bit about the reasons. One, he is a Maratha leader, a popular Maratha leader. He's vying for the CM post as well. Apart from that, there is a coalition dharma that puts Shinde very much in the race because this election, Maharashtra election by Mahayuti, was fought under the leadership of the chief minister in the state as well. And even Prime Minister Modi gave him a lot of prominence, especially during the rallies. Then caste dynamics could really help Shinde to continue as the chief minister of Maharashtra. There is also another reason that he's a strong Maratha leader in this particular state of Maharashtra, which is a very important aspect. Then the Ladki Bahin proved to be a game changer. Now, this is what most people in Maharashtra and across the country believe, that this scheme and the way it was implemented aggressively in the last few months only, that really helped the prospects of the Mahayuti, especially among the women voters. Then he also, through the results, proved Asli Sena, his Asli Sena credentials. Now, remember, this was also a fight as to who is the real face of the Shiv Sena. And with this kind of victory, Eknath Shinde's Sena clearly has proved, at least in the state of Maharashtra, that it represents the real Sena, the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray. And he, in fact, has proved himself there as well. He's also managed to create a decent amount of goodwill in Mahayuti coalition. He's well respected as well among, the three partners here. And that's the reason why he's very much in the race. And Sena cadre is pushing for Shinde as the chief minister. Final call, of course, will be taken by by the high command of the Bharatiya Janata Party. That's what most people have been saying, because remember, it is the party high command that will be deciding, because BJP, among the three partners in Mahayuti, has got the maximum number of seats, 132. So they have the numbers. So will they then go ahead with Devendra Fadnavis, because he is the front runner? That's what sources have told us, and this is what we are now learning, that very soon the decision could be taken. Devendra Fadnavis is very much in the race, and he is being seen as the front runner as well. Now remember, he is the former chief minister of Maharashtra. He had to settle for the post of deputy chief minister, and he is the one who's credited with BJP's victory in Maharashtra. As a soldier, of the party, he worked really hard, and that's the reason why people in the BJP feel that he is the one who deserves it. He is BJP's Brahmin face in Maharashtra, while on one hand, Eknath Shinde is a strong Maratha leader, a strong Maratha face out there. He is a Brahmin face there. Then BJP's BJP's best ever tally in the state of Maharashtra has actually come under Devendra Fadnavis. And at the same time, the cadre is also rallying behind Devendra Fadnavis. They want Devendra Fadnavis as the chief minister, and he's got fair amount of administrative experience also. In fact, he's the only second chief minister in the state of Maharashtra who's managed to complete his full term, and he was Shinde's deputy for over 2 years. So will Bharatiya Janata Party go ahead with Devendra Fadnavis, and what will be the response, the roles and responsibilities of people like Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, the alliance partners as well? Now that remains to be seen. Now suspense is continuing over the CM phase. Fadnavis as CM posters are being seen in Nagpur, in different parts of Nagpur, and this is the poster that I'm talking about. These posters in fact have started emerging in different parts of Nagpur. Let me now go across to my colleague Arunil, who's joining us on the broadcast as well. Arunil, good afternoon. You know, posters for Fadnavis as chief minister can be seen in various parts of Nagpur, but people want to know who will be the chief minister. Second, how soon can we expect this decision to be taken?
Well, the decision obviously will be taken by the BJP High Command in Delhi. Now, you were basically mentioning about Fadnavis being the Brahmin face of the BJP. Now, Fadnavis basically probably has risen above the caste barrier. Has he? That is the main question. Because in 2016, Fadnavis was the chief minister. The Maratha reservation demand had led to a massive escalated protest across the state of Maharashtra. Fadnavis then had said that I don't feel that my party will remove me as a chief minister just because I am a Brahmin, and that didn't really happen. He basically is the only chief minister, second chief minister basically, only the second chief minister to complete a full 5-year term as a CM. Now coming to the caste dynamics as well. Now as well, the Maratha caste reservation demand and the subsequent protests have been escalated. Manoj Jarange Patil has been taking multiple blows at Devendra Fadnavis. Now will that hurt Devendra Fadnavis? If that's so, will BJP will be looking for a Maratha face like an Ashish Shelar or some other Maratha leader that they have, or Devendra Fadnavis, who obviously is a front runner, will be preferred. Now what works in Eknath Shinde's favor? His leaders basically have been saying that the BJP followed the alliance dharma and they gave the chance to Nitish Kumar despite having more numbers in Bihar. Then why can't they also follow the same Bihar model in the state of Maharashtra? The elections were fought under the leadership of Eknath Shinde as well. However, the BJP leaders are saying that we compromised once. We followed the alliance dharma once, despite having more than double the numbers. Now we expect our alliance partners to also follow the alliance dharma.
Right. So clearly, we'll have to see, you know, what eventually is decided. Bihar example, of course, is very, very interesting as well that Arunil you gave to us. Requesting you to stay on with us. In fact, we are now getting a reaction from a BJP MLA as well on this particular story. Let's listen in.
132 above 132 भारतीय जनता पार्टी जीता. इसमें कोई पोस्टिंग का कोई सवाल का बात ही नहीं है. सम्मानीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब मुख्यमंत्री मेरे ख्याल से होना चाहिए. कोई थैंक यू.
Now, viewers, there are others in Mahayuti who believe that even Ajit Pawar is very much in the race for the post of the chief minister. A senior leader of the Ajit Pawar faction of the NCP, in fact, claims that the NCP had a great strike rate. He cannot be ruled out from the race either. Listen in.
एकनाथ शिंदे हो या सब कह रहे हैं कि उनके पार्टी के लोग कि मुख्यमंत्री दोबारा एकनाथ शिंदे होने चाहिए, उनके नेतृत्व में चुनाव लड़ा गया है. क्या ये पोजीशन बनी हुई अभी भी?
मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है क्या. अब ऐसा जर होगा तो अजीत दादा भी तो हो सकते, उनका भी तो स्ट्राइक रेट बड़ा अच्छा रहा है भाई. क्या अब जो है ये तीनों बैठकर जो है जो भी चर्चा होगी वो सबको जो है मान्य है.
And we have another important update coming in at this point in time. Amid suspense over the CM phase that is continuing, a big statement has been made by Nitesh Rane as well. And he's saying Devendra Fadnavis should be the chief minister.
Let's wait and watch. But every BJP worker and almost everyone from the Mahayuti also wants Devendra ji to lead the government. But let's wait and watch what the party leadership and what the Mahayuti leaders, when they come together, and what they take a final call. But we all wish and pray as a BJP worker, Honorable Devendra Fadnavis ji gets to lead the state again, because the people of Maharashtra have clearly given a mandate to Shinde ji that the Shiv Sena is with him. The Hindutva that Honorable late Balasaheb Thackeray ji used to talk about is something that Eknath Shinde ji is taking ahead. And same goes with Ajit Dada, where the NCP is single-handedly now with him. So the mandate has clearly, given a straight message who the real Shiv Sena and who the real NCP is.
Let's go back to Arunil, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Arunil, clearly BJP's Nitesh Rane also trying to suggest that it should be Devendra Fadnavis as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Clearly BJP has got numbers. And on the other hand, coalition dharma is another aspect. But I want to understand from you, what can be expected in the next few hours? Tell us a little bit about the developments that are expected to take place.
Well, at present, I'm reporting from the BJP headquarters. Here, many of the leaders are coming. But before that, they're also going to Devendra Fadnavis's residence to pay their gratitude to the main architect of this victory. Devendra Fadnavis certainly was the topmost leader of the BJP when it comes to Maharashtra polls. He paid attention. He basically strategized in each and every constituency where the Mahayuti leaders were particularly contesting, particularly with respect to BJP and CM Eknath Shinde's parties are concerned. Now coming to Ajit Pawar camp. Ajit Pawar camp have made it clear that they have no problem with Devendra Fadnavis being the CM. Basically the CM being from the BJP. BJP High Command has to decide who will be the CM in the state of Maharashtra. Now what are the weaknesses that lie in front of Devendra Fadnavis? Basically the threats, one can say, for which can work against him. One is in the recently held elections, state elections in Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, in Madhya Pradesh as well, the topmost leaders were sidelined by the BJP High Command and other leaders were given a chance based on the caste dynamics. Now, whether the same will be followed in Maharashtra, that again will be an interesting aspect to look into. Because Marathas are no doubt the dominant caste in the state of Maharashtra with respect to the number of votes that they have, number of leaders also the Marathas have. Now, whether the BJP will be going for a Maratha face, whether Fadnavis, who's obviously a front runner till now, everybody's been going to his residence. He's been seen as the face of the Mahayuti, because before elections, the situation was different. It was Eknath Shinde who was leading from the front. But now, considering the BJP has got 132, only 13 shy of the magic number, Fadnavis has gone ahead of Shinde, at least for now. It is at least in the present scenario.
Well, Arunil, clearly going by the numbers, it is, there is no doubt that BJP has got an upper hand. But the question is, can the BJP really afford to upset the Shinde Sena at a crucial point like this? BMC elections are also, important, that are also due. Now, what is it that the sources are telling you about Eknath Shinde? I mean, is there any kind of a possibility, and what are the options that they are considering right now?
Well, Eknath Shinde's camp has made it very clear. They have said that we want 2.5 years of CM post, and the first 2.5 years of CM post should come to us. They are requesting BJP to follow the alliance dharma, just like they did it in the Bihar state as well. How Nitish Kumar was made the chief minister despite BJP having more numbers. BMC elections are crucial. There is no doubt about it. But BJP is in a situation right now in Maharashtra or in Mumbai as well, Hina, that they can singularly form the government now with the help of independents, because many of the independents and smaller parties have allied with the BJP. And coming to BMC as well, BMC has always been neck to neck with the United Shiv Sena. BJP is very strong in Mumbai. They have more number of MLAs than any other party in the city of Mumbai. After them is Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena. So basically irking or hurting Eknath Shinde, that point really doesn't come into the picture only if we are speaking about from the perspective of BMC. And the BJP can also say that 2.5 years back, we compromised. We gave the CM post to Eknath Shinde despite having more than double the numbers. Now it is the chance, it is the turn of Eknath Shinde to also compromise for the Alliance Dharma.
Okay, interesting. Thank you very much, Arunil, for the moment, for joining us with all of those details. We'll keep coming back to you on this developing story. For